On September 25th, 2023, a trainload of solid rocket boosters for NASA's Space Launch System rocket for the Artemis II mission was delivered to the NASA Railroad in Mims, Florida. Earlier in the morning, the Florida East Coast Railway had received the train and interchange from Norfolk Southern in Jacksonville. After a quick change of locomotives from Norfolk Southern's to two of FEC's Grupo Blue GP40-2s, the train departed Jacksonville as Extra Train 121. The train was carrying 10 booster segments, which will make up the two solid rocket boosters on the side of the SLS rocket. They are refurbished parts from the Space Shuttle program and were loaded with solid propellant at Northrop Grumman's facility in Corinne, Utah, which is close to Promontory Point. The trip from departure to this delivery was 6 days. The booster segments are housed in the specialized cars with the white enclosure. The box cars are spaced between the booster cars to help spread out their enormous weight. In the distance here, you can see the remainder of the booster's life on Earth, including the NASA Railroad's JJ Yard and the Vehicle Assembly Building and Launch Pad at Kennedy Space Center. I've now moved to a new location, a few miles closer to the interchange at the NASA Railroad's JJ Yard. You can see the train being reversed through a side of the yard's Y to distribute the cars across two of the yard tracks. This yard is not publicly accessible, and along with NASA security, it was not worth the attempt to get any closer. I have sped this up significantly, as the train is moving at walking speed. While the formal NASA Railroad of the Space Shuttle era no longer exists, the operation is now run as a part of Kennedy Space Center's Exploration Ground Systems, with motive power provided by two Shuttlewagons, which are another brand of trackmobile. And here's another angle of the train passing. and we'll finish with a slowed down passing of the train. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like button and subscribe. Also check out my social media pages.